Pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca said on Monday that the vaccine developed by the University of Oxford showed 90% efficiency in on-dosing regimen. The vaccine was given as a half dose, followed by a full dose at least 1 month later, and now the dosing regimen showed 62% efficiency when given as 2 full doses at least 1 month apart, AstraZeneca said in a statement. The company added that an interim analysis of clinical trials of its COVID-19 vaccine in the UK and Brazil showed that it was 70% effective on average, becoming the third drug maker to announce promising results to contain the deadly virus. More than 20,000 volunteers were involved in the trial, half in the UK and the rest in Brazil. There were 30 cases of COVID in people who had 2 doses of the vaccine and 101 cases in people who received demi-injection. Today marks an important milestone in our fight against the pandemic. This vaccine's efficacy and safety confirm that it will be highly effective against COVID-19 and will have an immediate impact on this public health emergency, AstraZeneca Chief Executive Officer Pascal Soriot said. Furthermore, the vaccine's simple supply chain and our non-profit pledge and commitment to broad, equitable and timely access means it will be affordable and globally available, supplying hundreds of millions of doses on approval, he added. Serum Institute of India, which is conducting clinical trial of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine candidate in India, welcomed the latest developments. I'm delighted to hear that Covishield, a low-cost, logistically manageable and soon to be widely available COVID-19 vaccine, will offer protection up to 90% in one type of dosage regime and 62% in other dosage regime, SII CEO Adar Poonawalla tweeted. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said, "Incredibly exciting news the Oxford vaccine has proved so effective in trials. There are still further safety checks ahead, but these are fantastic results." News Desk Kaumudy, English.